Chi, chi, chi. La, la, la. No. Chi, chi, chi. Le, le, le. Viva Chile. So, Chile versus Argentina in the Copa America. We're gonna whoop your butts. It's 0-0 at halftime right now. Buenos dias. Let's try this again. Mic was off. Happy Sunday to you. Today, first of all, a little bit of withdrawals not having to go to VidCon today. VidCon, wonderful job, as I said. Thumbs up, 3 thumbs up for you. Thoroughly enjoyed my time at VidCon, so well played, well played. So I'm headed to the racetrack today. So last weekend was Father's Day, and I was not able to meet with my father last week because he actually had plans. He had made plans to go to Vegas, and I was not able to meet up with him. So today we meet. So most Father's Days, from our family, most Father's Days and his birthday, he loves the track. We go to the track, play the ponies. So today we hit the track. Okay, we're here, but I want to try to fly this drone a little bit. I've never flown this drone. This is a DJI 4. Previous vlogs, I've shown the Phantom 3, but I'm going to try this Phantom 4 today. Okay, I just noticed, first of all, this is the first time, as you heard, I was flying this DJI Phantom 4. I have flown the Phantom 3 before. Problem. I did see a plane. I know Long Beach Airport's close to here, so I get that, but I don't know how close, and I don't know where the flight path is, so that's always important. Gotta be careful with that. Totally get it. And I saw a helicopter riding around in here, so I'm like, oh, I know I'm really gonna have to be careful. I wanted to get some beautiful shots of the racetrack and the stadium. Not gonna be able to get that because what I just saw on here, 1, I need a firmware update. 2, the remote controller requires an update. And 3, I can't take off because it says it's in an anti-fly zone. Now, I'm sure I can override maybe one of those and do the firmware updates, but I'm flying safe. I'm cool with it. To the racetrack. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you. There he is. There he is. My brother right now, and he's gonna try to get us into the clubhouse and potentially the Vessels Club. Just a much calmer and more relaxed environment, but we'll see. There he is, and he's doing a little jig. Check this out, no cell phones. Look at that kind of cell phone.
Where cellular is available today.
Yeah.
How many would it be?
fine. Right here.
The one is okay?
Yeah. They do race track at night, and if you're not familiar with quarter horses, they essentially start down here at the end, and they sprint over here to the finish line, which is right there. It's like a 100-yard dash in track. It's just a quick race, and those are fun. Listen to that. It means this post time is coming up to the second race, and I'm gonna go bet on this race. We are fighting the flies out here. I have been losing my butt. Well, no, that's not true. Let me take that back. I've basically been betting a high stakes game of dollar wagers. I'm gonna probably bump it up to $2 here. And I did make it rain a second ago. $20 bill, y'all. Has been a bunch of ish, but no, really, seriously, right, and we're having trouble there. No, it's the 4-horse. The 4-horse, people, America, bet on the 4-horse, it's coming in, I'll tell you in a second. Ish, it's just a bunch of ish. Bunch of ish. Hey Dad, you a winner today?
$20.
That's not bad. No? When are we going next?
Next, I'm going home.
You going home?
Watch a game.
What game are you gonna go watch?
Chile, Argentina.
All right, Chile's gonna win?
Chile gonna win.
And this is how my day ends. I don't even know if I won or not, but that was exciting. 5-1 what? 5-1. 1? Tell me 1. Sometimes you win some, and this time I lost one. We out. Got home from the racetrack. That was good times. Pretty much broke even. Now I'm going to get some flame broiler right now. I have trouble saying that. Flame broiler. All right, going in. Here's the sitch. 90 minutes of football, soccer. Chile versus Argentina, the other guys. 30 minutes of extra play. Let's get it done, Chile. Get it done. Do work, son. Do work.
Alert to the pass. It's beyond Piri, though. It's Alexis poked away. Messi's header almost out of
2-1 on penalty kicks.
early this time.
Save! 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 No! I'm out here on a late night run to Walgreens and to buy some flowers for my daughter who graduates tomorrow. My little baby girl, she graduates tomorrow from high school. So I've got one leaving college and one entering college. I'm very proud. I'm a proud dad. Brisa, tomorrow is your day, my love. Your day. All right, gotta go into Walgreens. I'm here. Then I'm headed over to Ralph's. You can't see me pointing, can you? And it's late. It's about 11, just after 11 p.m. And I had to, that's the only time I could fit it in. So I'm doing that thing, that dad thing. All right. I guess maybe you can pick out the flowers with me. And then we'll call it a day. Oh, no. Whoopsie. Not open till midnight. Only open till 11. They open back up at 6 a.m. I'll be back in the morning.